nsi ya Kenya rishirika rya Vamed amuna swami kurwa Finland nigo yegoire bene nyagitari cyo bwibori imeya Kyogoro wadi ya Kyogoro amuna ibache wadi ya Kyamukama nyagitari cyo nigo kigo kiko bakonya bagina baria bakonyora abana na igo nigo kirosirie asekerengo kegoro tumonyore musekyo icho Wycliffe Orenge na roboti oruo asobwagari
Bunenchira ya moyo gokinie birengo bya bachenu me county ya Kisii na bwo bakorari asinyagitari a me county yo bono ni serikali ya county ya Kisii nsio buraibwa yo mugaba na Paul Simbarati yegwire bene nyagitari cha Mother Child ya Kyogoro amonende bacho nyagitari echo chiaga chitwe asokubwata negatia serikali ya county ya Kisii wizara yo bachenu yensi ya Kenya amo na mashirika buna Vamed amo na Suomi kurwa ensi ya Finland.
Thank the family for the good work that you've done to us. Thank you for putting 1 million euros in this facility. That's a lot of money. I want to thank you, and thank you. Looking forward to see how we're going to begin to work with you guys in other facilities remaining. I'm going to ask my team to make more requests to your office, at least to see if we can be able to get another 1 or 2 facilities in this county. Now that we have Kyogoro, Ibacho, and Magenji. I know I was more there when you were handing it over.
Kagokuwa na somo ya kaboko yegore nyagitari iyo kutoka somo cyo Kyogoro ward ya Kyogoro nsemo yabunga nyaribari chache county ya Kisii nigo mugaba na Simbarati yasingerere buna nigaline gangana nenyo kuboneka buna ibirengo byo bachene ngo kinabire ime county iyo
aba nabantu obwati hectare bari 35 igo yentikitanga kineki nimbate staff ile ndukanda akore no komenta bake torole hectare y'abantu ko rambali bantu abantu ko kana bange bakwende tamu there is a njoko igwa kwa facility ina itinichebe this kumekilisha waziri you follow up or checking aki abantu bagoche SMH so that we can be able to tell him the numbers we may need. Only Kataraband, Miatat, I say counting 45 wards.
Manyana boni garati arogo chika gochia somo waziri wa wachenu ase county ya Kisii gochia nyagitari echo Erieta Raila Odinga Mother Child Hospital Wings munenchira ya moyo kurwesco gochia sinyago sira Raila Molo Odinga.
Now that we have won our above, let it be named, Raila Molo Odinga Mother Child Hospital. Okula poko inaweka no si Trauma Raila Molo Odinga. And they can do the machine then come either officially appreciate the building.
Kuroga abu nigo mugaba na Simbarati anyaraka bagako genda gwika ase ward ya Kyamukama abasanyaka bako igore nyagitari bacho inere agachire wetera somo roberio yo.
The standard by which that building has been constructed so high quality. Na tutaka koveka story building chigoro. Still that building can support. Igo egasi akorwa negasi ngiya. Finally bacho ego boda chuni ward Kyamukama ward. Meaning catchment y'abantu bakurwari kubonsi bibacho abangi. Geto gochi gusaba abantu baminto bone facility eliyo tumekabuya mukwane positive about the hospital. Rinde nalira konya abantu totie komnyoka siko sokorwariwa
bono nigo yatigaire ase abamenyi bekinsemecho kweneke buna kinyagitare chingakora kiremire masenchere ya bene na kurobo korali otia saba menyi abwo inkolipota lya Nsoko TV koro ibacho ensemo yebunge ya Nyaribari Masabe county ya Kisii Redariane Wycliffe Orenge.